Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to do tasks at Microsoft. So first of all we will go to our browser and we will type as to do Microsoft. We will click to do Microsoft and here I will sign into my Microsoft account. Yes, we have interface of to do Microsoft. So here you can assign your task of your day, and here you can task like to advertise another task you can assign to send emails. You can assign also your task as meeting, break, as well as viewings. So here you can simply assign your task, and you can also plan your task according to like tomorrow what task you have to do. Like you have to do some viewings like this, okay? And here you can add your new list. For example, meeting, you can add these list according to you, and like this you can add these tasks. Like if you have a viewing, then you can add to your day. You can add reminder tomorrow, next week, according to you. You can also repeat the same task. You can pick a category. You can label according to the colors blue, green, orange, purple, red, yellow. And you can add your file here as well if you have on your computer. So here what you can see, these are your